Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Solidex coin. Ticker symbol is SDT. This coin is getting a brand new central exchange listing December 6th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is being listed December 6th, 11 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the Solidex token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SDT, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this is a groundbreaking blockchain project designed to bridge the gap between real-world assets and digital currency. Now, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. So far, only 124 holders, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 100 million SDT tokens. Now, they have a webpage, solidex.space. Over there, you can find a full white paper that will take you over to solidexofficial.gitbook.io. So, Solidex, it's a groundbreaking blockchain project aimed at bridging the gap between real-world assets and digital currency by leveraging the power of blockchain technology. Solidex offers users the ability to invest in U.S. Treasury bonds using the stablecoin USDT. So they have a full white paper that's going to give you the entire project here and what it's all about. So it says the United States Treasury bills, commonly known as UST bills or simply US Treasuries, are widely regarded as one of the safest and most stable investment options in the world. This reputation stems from several key factors that contribute to their safety and stability. U.S. Treasury bonds are backed by the full faith of the credit of the United States government, which means that the government guarantees the payment of interest and principal to bondholders. The U.S. government has a long-standing history of fulfilling its financial obligations, making these bonds highly reliable. The United States has a strong and stable economy with a robust tax base and the ability to generate revenue to meet its obligations. This stability significantly reduces the risk of default on U.S. Treasury bonds, providing investors with a high level of confidence in the safety of their investment. So U.S. Treasury bonds are highly liquid instruments, meaning that they can be easily bought and sold on the secondary market. The U.S. Treasury market is one of the largest and most actively traded bond markets globally, providing investors with ample opportunities to enter or exit positions without significant price impact. So U.S. Treasury bonds are considered a safe haven of assets. Now, they do have the technical framework on here. And it goes over the blockchain infrastructure. So Solidex is built on a highly secure and scalable blockchain platform chosen for its efficiency, speed, and robustness. The underlying technology of the blockchain is designed to handle high transaction volumes with minimal latency, ensuring seamless user experience. So it's built on the Binance Smart Chain. Basically, you could review what that is if you like. So it talks about smart contracts. They leverage smart contracts to automate the investment and redemption process. They autonomously handle the SUSDT tokens, distribution of returns, and management of the underlying treasury bond assets. And then they have the integration with USDT. There's a whole section on that, providing a stable and reliable medium for transactions. This integration allows users to invest in the U.S. Treasury bonds using the USDT stablecoin, combining the stability of traditional finance with the efficiency of modern blockchain technology. So the SUSDT token is a non-rebasing token pegged to the US dollar, is central to the Solidex ecosystem. It represents ownership in the diversified portfolio of U.S. Treasury bonds. The integration ensures that the value of SUSDT remains stable, mirroring the stability of the underlying assets. So they have the proprietary technology. They also have the info on the Solidex pool contract. It's a central unit that tracks the liquidity provider shares and manages funds, including token transfer capabilities. They also have a section on permits, Solidex's specific behaviors and withdrawals. They also go over pool creation and management and pool manager if you want to learn about that. They have a whole section on their security measures and operation mechanisms about the investment process, management of investments, distribution of returns, transparency and security, and user experience. And they have info here about the tokenomics of the token. So the SDT token is the primary currency of the entire Solidex ecosystem used for transactions such as investing in the bonds. Now, it says there's going to be regular burns. The token supply is at 100 million. After a period of 10 years, an inflation rate of 1% will be introduced. The Solidex DAO members will have the authority to propose and implement changes to the tokenomics. So you can get involved with the DAO. And then token allocation we have on here. We'll go over that. So 68% of the tokens go to the community. 12% go to the DAO. 12% to the team. 8% to investors, and they all have different vesting periods with monthly vesting and different cliffs. So check that all out. Solidex official.gitbook.io is where you're going to find all the info on this project, and it's getting that brand new central exchange listing on Mexc Global as of tomorrow. So check out the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.